I'm here with Skylar Stevenson, who is the product manager for Gaggenau. How are you today?
Fantastic. Thank you so much.
Absolutely. So Gaggenau, most people don't know that it's been around for over 300 years. What is it like being in business since 1683?
Well, it's really quite extraordinary because where we began is something that really evokes a lot of emotion. It's important for us, both from a ability to manufacture products for that long, but also to tell the story of who we are. I mean, we started off in Gaggenau, Germany, making a nail. That's really where our company began in 1683. And today, right behind me, we've got these beautiful appliances that really, at the core, have 335 years of history. You're going to see us always reflecting back, looking at what we did in the past and how that can affect us in the future.
So speaking of the heritage, how does that impact the product pedigree, design, and engineering?
At the core of what we do is something we refer to as the professional kitchen principle. When you touch the product, you really feel the brand. When you open up the oven door, you're going to see the way that the stainless steel and the glass and everything all comes together. That is telling the story of where we came from.
Who is the Gaggenau buyer, and what do they look for, and how do you as a brand reach them in a way that no other brand can?
The first customer immediately that comes to us is someone who says, I have to have uncompromising performance. It's non-negotiable. Someone who really knows what they're doing in the kitchen. Maybe they're a baker or a chef or anything in between. They will acknowledge and understand the precision and craftsmanship that goes into that product because they're used to it. And so we work with the finest chefs, and they tell us, in a sense, what is going on in the restaurant world, what's new, what's innovative for us to build professional equipment for the home. Then we have another customer. Our other customer is, they may not be themselves chefs, but they're drawn to the design. And our design can be really characterized by the meeting of tradition and avant-garde. We deliver something that is going to stand the test of time, that's going to be beautiful, and that is going to amplify the kitchen.
How does Gaggenau want to be thought of here in the States, and what are they doing to achieve that objective?
The best way for us to really allow us to share our story and for people to experience that is really by allowing the product to be seen and really experienced. So we just had a chance to do a beautiful pop-up restaurant, and we did it in downtown Los Angeles, and we recreated the Black Forest. And we brought in the very best chef in the world, Chef Daniel Hum, who's a 3 Michelin star chef. And he brought his entire culinary team from 11 Madison Park in New York City. And we built these incredible, extraordinary cooking stations with 8 people each. Beautiful setup of Gaggenau cooktops, our Vario series. And the guests were able to see each one of them create something extraordinary, but they did it on professional equipment for the home. That's really what Gaggenau's about. And for us, that's the way we speak to our customers and the way that they feel the brand.
Wow, so with all of that said, does Gaggenau have any plans for any new products in 2019?
There's a couple things, actually. The first is our new full-surface induction cooktop that will allow up to 6 pans to be put on a surface simultaneously, and it creates limitless possibilities. Also, our new refrigeration line. Our designers worked very hard in creating something that not only meets the professional kitchen principle, but aesthetically it's stunning. It's fully lined in stainless steel. The lights are designed in such a way that it mimics like almost a museum-like setting. So each of the items within the refrigerator is staged. So it's pretty special, and I think most people, when they see it for the first time, are going to fall in love.
Skylar, thank you so much for educating us on the history of Gaggenau and most importantly, telling us what's to come.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for having me. It's been wonderful to talk with you.